Okay, so I know the live was cut short on Monday, but here are some of the finished pieces that were made. This is the large curved wraparound. It's so pretty. And there's a couple things that she wasn't working on. Here is an interlocking ring, so sparkly, and some bead rings. Wow. These ones are so pretty. And then, oops, here is the large shield ring we were working on. And then the small one, so shiny. And then this is an open curve ring. We're obsessed with this one. It's just such a fun like open design, and it's like adjustable, which is fun. And then a dot ring, ooh, and a teardrop ring. So cute. I love these together. I feel like I need to do a set with these. Anyways, that's what we were working on. Ooh, one more. The interlocking, this one's tiny. This is like a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings. So cute. Love this. Okay, see you guys later.